SRK Universe are not just one big fan club of the biggest superstar. In fact, we are one big virtual family who support each other even in reality. और अब मैं स्टेज पर उन दो खास शख्सियत को आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी जिनके बिना ये SRK Universe ही अधूरा है. Yes, everybody, a huge round of applause for the dashing, dynamic, and very handsome, the head of operations, Farhan Siddiqui. And along with him, the stalwart and the founder of SRK Universe, हमारे खास, हमारे प्यारे मोहम्मद भाई.
Good evening, everyone. I just can't believe finally it's happening. I'm so happy to see you guys coming together here. Enjoy the spirit of sarcasm. Last couple of months, it has been very tough for me and my team as well. To be honest with you, I had sleepless nights. After I started getting quotation, only then I started realizing that it's not an easy task to plan an event like this. I want to share a message that I have got from Farhan 2 weeks back. I told Farhan, bye, I'm really having difficulties because through WhatsApp only I'm able to contact my Indian admins and even the vendors as well. Even some these funds, the quotation, it is really expensive for me personally to do everything. Then I told him by even not getting any sponsors, I don't think I will be able to get this done for the fans. Then he told me by no, don't worry, maybe after 2 to 3 days when it gets closed, I will announce that Bai has gone underground and we will have it on online. I told no, we have already promised this. We will have it in Mumbai in 2016. So I'm gonna have it no matter what. And see, here we are, and I hope you guys are enjoying.
Yes, Mohammed, we certainly are.
And there is in my speech, Farhan has given one Hindi line as well. I think I will try to say this as well. But after all the troubles that we have faced to have this event, as SRK said in Happy New Year, किस्मत बड़ी कुत्ती चीज है, पर अगर इरादों में दम हो तो साली सही हो जाती है. Right? 3 years back when we started SRK Universe, the idea was to change the way fan club runs. We are not here to tweet and post news and pics only. We are here to do much more than that. We are here to change the definition of fan club. As always, I say I am crazy fan of SRK as well as an admirer of his fans. Uniting fans from all over the world has been the motto of SRK Universe. The prime idea behind Fandom Award is to proliferate the spirit of SRKism, to make everyone forget their differences and bring them closer and celebrate the notion of being fans. Please, this is my advice for you guys. Like other Bollywood awards, where Chotu, Motu, and Sotu boycotts awards when they don't get an award. I hope none of you will do that here, because the idea of organizing this Fandom Award is just to have fun together and have a good time. So even if you don't get an award, don't be disappointed. For me, we all are winners, right?
Yeah. And we all love you.
Bhai, you want to say something?
Hello everyone. First firstly, thank you for joining us tonight for this mega event. I'm not good at giving speeches at all, but still I wrote down some words, or maybe a lot, which I'll say right now. As Bhai already mentioned, this journey was not easy at all. When we started, all we wanted to do was to create the biggest fan club of Shah Rukh Khan. Well, obviously, the biggest star deserves the biggest fan club. We wanted to show everyone to what extent we love him and what all we can do for him and fellow SRKians. We wanted to unite all fans under one roof, regardless of their gender, caste, region, or religion. And as I look around in this room, I think we achieved that. SRK Universe is one of the biggest fan clubs of any star ever. Much of the credit goes to the man standing right next to me. He had this dream and he stepped up and promised himself to achieve this dream. Over the years, I have met many people, some normal, some crazy. But he right here is the craziest person I have ever met. Most of you don't know he doesn't have a car or owns a house in his own country because he has just spent his entire life savings on SRK Universe. No other person would do that, no one. But he did not think even once before doing so. To him, SRK and SRKians matter the most. Thank you, Bhai, for all your love, support, and whatever you do for all of us. Thanks to my wonderful admins too. It would not be possible to operate such a big fan club with 30 international branches without the hard work and unmatched dedication of all of you. Thank you. And thank you to all SRKians. I have said this many times that SRK Universe is nothing without the love and support of all of you. You people shower us with so much love on daily basis with your nice messages, retweets, edits and all. You make ordinary people like us feel like celebrities, which is why tonight we want to make you, each and every one of you, feel like a celebrity.
Thank you so much.
Winning or losing tonight won't make you a bigger or a smaller fan. This event is all about celebrating the man we love unconditionally. The greatest, the nicest, the best, the awesomest, Shah Rukh Khan. Without wasting the time of you lovely people, let's end my speech and once again welcome to SRK Fandom Awards 2016.